Your title will be Changing States of Matter, 5.5b, and 3.5c. So remember that 3.5 tells us this is a review from 3rd grade. And your date goes over in the corner. Okay, I'm going to turn my paper. Okay. Over here, we're talking about the freezing point and the melting point of water. And remember that in science we use the metric system, and the metric system is always going to use Celsius. So, for liquid to freeze or a solid to melt, okay, we're going to put a line right at 0, and it's going to be 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, that one's pretty easy. Okay, the boiling point, we're going to put a line right across, and you're going to fill in your thermometer. Color it in nice and neat. Okay. And we're going to do it all the way up on the boiling point. We're going to go all the way up to 100 degrees Celsius and write that right up above. And you're going to color that in nice and neat. And then room temperature is at about 23 degrees Celsius. So you're going to color in that one. So you should have all 3 thermometers colored in for their appropriate volume, or temperature, excuse me. That way we can use this for our lesson tomorrow. The other part you're going to need, you're going to fill in these blanks right here. Okay? So, if you follow the way the arrow goes, we're going to start at a... That liquid is going to turn into a solid by freezing. That solid will turn back into a liquid by melting. Okay, so you can see the picture. So we have the liquid water, it freezes, it turns into a solid ice cube, and that solid ice cube can turn back into a liquid by melting. Okay, that liquid water can turn into a gas by evaporation, or evaporates, words that go together. Okay, and that gas can turn back into a liquid by condensing or by condensation. So you're going to record those words into the boxes to be ready for our lesson tomorrow. Have a good night, scholars.